Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do another family recipe. It's a macaroni salad. I like a macaroni salad. I think it's very good. We're going to pour our macaroni in that. There's 4 ounces of macaroni. We need to time this about 12 minutes. Hey Google, time me 12 minutes. The recipe calls for 4 slices of bacon. I cut it up in small pieces. We're going to have to get this bacon browned. This is a real easy recipe too. There's really not much to it. And there's a lot of different ways to make macaroni salad. I think you have to try some of them and see. That's what I did, try them, see which one I like the best. We've almost got this brown enough. You want it cooked good though, but not too brown. I'm always glad when I have extra bacon grease because I use it in cooking other things. I told my daughter about this. She said, I don't ever use bacon grease. So I told you they don't cook like I do anyway. But they like to eat it. They come home and they want me to cook it for them. Now that our macaroni is cooked 12 minutes, and I'm going to rinse this. I used rainbow macaroni because I think it looks better in your salad. So we have our bacon over here, and I cut them up real fine. And cooked them in this big pan because when you cook bacon in a big tall pan like that, it doesn't splatter your stove. We're going to use a 1/2 cup of celery, 1/4 cup of green pepper, 3/4 of a cup of sweet pickles. And I used the bread and butter pickles, but they're sweet too, so I think it's fine to use that. 1/4 cup of onion, and it's chopped up about the same way. 2 teaspoons of chili sauce. I really like chili sauce. 1/2 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. We're going to use 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper. That's not very much black pepper. 1 teaspoon of sugar. We have 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Now we're ready to put this in the serving bowl. You see now why I wanted the rainbow colored macaroni. It makes your salad look a lot prettier. Now we've finished our macaroni salad. You can serve this either hot or cold. I hope you try it, and I hope you enjoy it. And thanks a lot, and I'll see you on another video.